Hi everyone, welcome to my second video in the series of how to solve a Rubik's Cube. So hopefully, if you've watched the last video now, you already have the white cross solved. So in this video what we're going to learn is we're going to solve the white layer. So that'll mean the whole white face with all the colors on the sides of those white pieces correct. So here we'll have a white, blue, red piece. Here we'll have a white, red, green piece. You get the gist of it. So what we're going to do, we're going to start with white on the bottom. Now, I know this might make it seem kind of difficult because you can't see the white side, you can't tell your progress anymore, but it's going to make it easier for us to move our pieces around and insert them correctly. So now what we're going to do is with our white on the bottom, we're going to scan the top layer for white corner pieces, especially white corner pieces that are facing sideways and not upwards. So here we have a white, green, orange facing upwards, the white is facing upwards, but here we have a white, blue, orange with the white facing sideways, and that's actually better. We want our white pieces facing that direction for now. So what we're going to do with that is we look at the color to the side of the white. In this case it's blue, right? And the orange is upwards, so we only focus on the blue for now. So what we do, we want to match that with the correct centerpiece that matches it. So now these blues are matching. That's good. So then the next step involved in this is what I call the magic move of this step. And what that's going to be is we're going to turn that piece, white piece, up, move it towards us, and bring it back down. Again, that magic move we have is up, towards you, down. And what we can see is that it inserted the piece into the correct position. Now the white's on the white side, the blue's on the blue side, and the orange is on the orange side. So then we scan for more pieces on the top layer. So what we see is we can't actually find anything with the white facing sideways. So now we go for any other piece that we happen to find next. So what we can find is this white, orange, green piece. Now, what we want is our white to face sideways, otherwise the magic move won't work. So what we have to do, we have to align it so that the white is sideways. And the way we're going to do that is we take note of where it's eventually going to go. So this white, orange, green piece is eventually going to go here. So luckily for us, it's already aligned above that spot. That's what we need to do. We need to align it by turning the yellow side so that it's above the gap in which we need to put it. Then we can face either the green or the orange. Let's face the green for now. And we do a sort of modification of the magic move. What we do, we turn it up, and then normally we just turn it towards us, but this time we'll turn it twice. So we turn the top layer twice towards us, and then we just move it back down. So now we can see that it's actually aligned the green, orange, white piece to be ready for the magic move. The white is facing sideways. So now what we do, we align the green, the color on the side of the white with its adjacent centerpiece, and then we can do our magic move. So up, bring it towards us, and back down. So now we can see that the white, green, orange has in fact been put in the correct spot. Now we keep scanning for more pieces. We have the white, blue, red piece here now. So it's already neatly put in the correct spot for us, ready to have the magic move, because we can see that the color to the side, blue, is already matched with its centerpiece. So then, facing the blue, we can turn the white piece up, towards us, and back down. So that's in the nice spot there. Finally we have the white, green, red piece. So the white is facing upwards, so what we need to do, we need to align it so that it's above the gap that it needs to go in. So the gap it needs to go in is right here. So our white, green, red piece goes above that gap. Then we can face either side, go up, twice towards us, and back down. And now it's ready to be aligned for the magic move. So then we align the red with its correct side, and then we just do up, towards us, down. So that should finish the white side now, and we can see that the first layer of the cube is completely solved. So that's good. So we can do one more practice with it just to show one more case that might pop up. So now let's say there's one more case that we have that might cause us some problems. And that case is where the white piece is trapped in a different corner. It's in the wrong corner and it's completely messed up. So what we can do is, it's actually not too difficult. It's just a matter of doing our magic move again. We put the white to our side and we just do the magic move up towards us down. And we can see that now it's in the white is facing the correct direction for us to align it for the magic move. So this color to the side, blue, we align it, and then facing the blue, we can turn it up towards us, down. And then I see the white, red, green piece. I look at the color to the side, red, align it with the red center. Facing the red, I turn the white piece up, bring it towards us, and pull it back down. Then the white, orange, green, I align the orange with itself. Facing orange, I go up towards me, down. And then one more piece, we have white, blue, red. The blue is already aligned, so that's nice. Then facing the blue, I can turn it up towards me, down. So that should finish the white side for us and the first layer. So hopefully that made things clear. This part might take a little practice to get used to, but hopefully you'll be able to figure it out and be able to do it nice and quick. So that marks the end of my second video. Stay tuned for the third one, where we'll figure out how to solve the middle layer. Thanks.